Right, just currently in Ha Long Bay right now. So I'm on the cruise ship right now. Let's get a camera. Just seen a guy fall over. It's a bit windy. Actually, this was not what I expected. I expected it to be like more commercialized in a way. It's actually pretty good. Well, it is commercialized, but like, it's, you know, it's touristy for a reason because it's good. Well, I don't know what's gonna happen to the sound. It's a bit windy. Zoom out. Check back over here. Yeah. That's Ha Long City over there. Zoom in. Plus I want to test out my new camera as well. Boats over there. Okay. So far so good. They've also, I don't know if the wind is affecting the sound or not, so I think I'll record in a bit. Right, just arrived on an island now. I just got off the boat. There we are. There is a lot of people from all around the world. Here I am. Who's this guy? I don't have a clue who this is. Oh, it's really hot. Okay, this is winter in Vietnam. It's very hot. Okay, time to explore the island. This is the name of the island I'm on. Got a beach area over here. Wow, look at that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I haven't been to a beach in a while. Wow. And literally so many people on the island. To get to the top, it takes a while. Still going up. This is reality. Finally. Oh wait, there's more. There's more. Right, I can't be bothered going up that. Look how many people there is. So slow. Is this going to be the same view here as well anyway? Same view. Here's the view.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. Okay.
Right, I'm gonna attempt to make my way down. It's very hot. So I'm wearing a jacket too. So they use glass bottles in Halong Bay. There's no plastic. Here's the bottle. We're now currently on the boat. I have no idea what's going on. Seems to be a lot of accidents. Whoa. A bunch of people singing. Go through the cave. Whoa. There's so many people hitting the small boats. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Alright, back on the boat now. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say. Just, I've not vlogged in a while. I just want to record my travel and memories. Look at that, wow. Vietnam's one of the most beautiful countries I've been to. It's way cheaper than Thailand. So it's the same as the other island. Look at that. It goes all the way up there too. Halfway through the top. We're inside the cave. I don't know how many caves I've been to in my life now. Too many. How many people here? Wow. Probably a bad idea wearing sunglasses in a dark cave. I can't see anything. Whoa. Whoa. I literally can't see anything. What's that? So here's more of the cave. Apparently you can see some kind of animals on the rock. Maybe my perception's bad, I can't really see anything. Apparently this one is a cat. You can see the ears on the front of the head and the tail. Okay, next part of the cave. This cave is quite big. Just going through the cave. It's quite touristy, but it's good. Yeah. It's one of the most popular places in the world, Ha Long Bay. Look at that. This one looks like a turtle. Seems to be a lot of animal rocks in this cave. I don't know why. Onwards we go. We're out of the cave now. All those people.
I would do it. I'd love to.
This is the view coming down. It's actually pretty good. Check out that. Overall, it's a pretty good place. Just touristy. Whoa. Whoa. Right, back to the boat now. It's the number 99 boat. There it is. There's no place like home. Okay, back on the boat. We're heading back to the mainland. The sun's gone down. That's pretty much it. It's been a good trip. Bye bye.